Hello to all future lovers. You also have many old photos of your grandfather and grandmother, and you think to yourself that I wish I could know what color their clothes were. So it is better to say that this artificial intelligence tool gives color to the old world. If you are ready, let's go, but don't forget to subscribe AI Signal. Okay, to get started, you need to go to the palette.fm website. After entering the website, just click on upload image and just wait to see the result. As you have seen, by using this artificial intelligence tool, you can travel in the time and see the colorless world in the full of color. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you and appreciate it for your support. See you soon.